Okay guys, so today we have the Pachycephalosaurus. This one's my Hammond collection, Pachycephalosaurus. And this is the Chaos Theory. It is like the basic one. It doesn't have a articulated jaw. It's like I said, it is the basic. It's really skinny, narrow. But the reason why I bought these two out, I know I have a lot of this already, but I only brought two out because we finally have the, guess what? Look at that. From Creative Beast Studios. So hopefully it is the Pachycephalosaurus. We're gonna unbox it. See what's inside. Whoops. Also, there's gonna be a new Pachycephalosaurus coming soon from the survival line. It is a mutated Pachycephalosaurus. Oh wow, wow, this looks exciting. Oh, there you go. Looks nice. Wyoming Genesis. Okay. It has a tiny box. It is a tiny box, but the figure itself looks big though. So I might be getting the Corallosaurus soon. There you have some dinosaur stats right there. So it was located here in North America. And there's the features. Okay, so it is a bipedal herbivore. Really nice, but this is enough data to suggest that Stygimoloch and Dracorex may have been synonymous with Pachycephalosaurus, representing different growth stages. Alright, so let's check this out, guys. Let's unbox it. Yeah, looks exciting. Whoa, crazy. Very nice. Okay, so let's unbox it. Alright, where do we start? Which one do we open? Alright, I think let's go here. Nice. No, I don't want to damage the box. What? Okay. Totally nice figure. Whoa, look at that. It has different kind of... Actually, there's 6 pieces. Goodness. There is head domes. You can change the head dome? Oh wow, there's more in the back. Wow, right there. Look at that. You can change the head dome. Strange. Okay, let's take it out then. Where's the stand? Okay. Okay, I don't think it came with a stand. Okay. What is this? Sticker? I think you stick it here like that. Maybe? Okay. There's the tail. What are these? I have no idea what those are. Look at that dome right there. It's like a broken horn. That's nice. Let's take out the tail. Wow, it is a weird tail. It's nice. Okay, let's take out the dinosaur now. It has tiny arms. Look at that, how tiny the arms are. But where is the stand? I don't see it. So it doesn't come with a stand, I guess. Card inside. I don't see the card. There's no card. It says there is a card. It says collectible card inside, but I don't see it. Okay. Strange. Very strange. Okay, got him out. The feel is really nice. Look at that. Textures is really nice. Is the mouth articulated? We'll find out. Yes, it is, but it's so hard to open it up. Wow. That's all? Wow, I think that's it. But at least they got it painted in there though. Whoa. The teeth all painted. The dome. Let's change the dome. I think I want to try the other dome. Let's take it off. Oh wow. Look at that. Looks weird now. We take it off. We change the dome. There. A broken horn. Whoops. There. Better. Now we put the tail in. Oh jeez, I think we need a okay, I got the tail in. It looks like a real lizard's tail, guys. Looks like an iguana's tail. Take a look at that. The feel, the texture. Look at the body in this guy too. Looks so chunky with tiny arms. So I'm a little disappointed that didn't come with a stand. It's kind of weird. It's supposed to have a stand, I believe. But anyways, the colors looks like it changed from a dark green here, then kind of changed to the lighter green. So it's kind of weird. But anyways, if you want to move the head so it can use its dome as a offense, you have to move the back like that. So it'll like charge the enemy, charge its predator. But I managed to open the jaw as well. Look at that inside. It looks amazingly done. You can see the whoops. You can see the teeth inside there. But yeah, we're not gonna change the feet. Some reason like that, it's pointless. I don't know why they do that. I wasn't expecting those. But anyways, yeah, that's it for our Pachycephalosaurus. Nice colors. Look at that. Really nicely done. It's just this, like I said, it's disappointing that it didn't come with a stand. Weird. Okay, now let's compare it to the Hammond collection. Yeah, so the Creative Beast Studio is much larger and also longer tail. Has a better spikes on its dome on the head. And our Chaos Theory skinny Pachycephalosaurus. So yeah, we can't wait for the mutated Pachycephalosaurus. Maybe in the next few weeks. Should be coming out soon. I believe it is a Frenzy Pack or Strike Attack from Jurassic World. But yeah. Okay guys, there you have it for today for our Beasts of the Mesozoic. It's been a while. My last Beast of the Mesozoic was the Spiclipius, I believe. It was like 5 months ago. But anyways, here we go. Nice piece. It's definitely the best looking Pachycephalosaurus that I've seen. Yep. Enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up guys. Thank you again. You guys have a good day now. Very well.